Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video in Believing Facts. In this documentary, we will dive deep into the mysterious realms of the ocean, uncovering its secrets and showcasing the extraordinary diversity of marine life. Join us as we explore the wonders that lie beneath the surface. Our journey begins amidst the vibrant coral reefs where an explosion of colors and life takes place. Coral reefs are not just beautiful, they are the lifeblood of the ocean, nurturing a delicate balance of life. From the charismatic clownfish to the graceful sea turtles, these reefs are teeming with life. Beyond the coral reefs lies the mysterious deep sea, a realm of perpetual darkness and unimaginable pressures. Here, where sunlight cannot reach, an incredible array of creatures has adapted to survive in extreme conditions. Bioluminescent wonders light up the darkness, creating a surreal spectacle. Deep sea creatures such as the anglerfish, gulper eels, and vampire squids exhibit bizarre adaptations that have enabled them to thrive in this harsh environment. Exploring this hidden world reminds us of the immense diversity of life on our planet. As we continue our journey, we encounter the inspiring migrations that occur in the ocean. Witness the grandeur of massive humpback whales as they traverse vast distances in search of food and breeding grounds. Marvel at the synchronized movements of enormous schools of fish, acting as a collective force in their epic journey. The ocean's migrations are not limited to large marine creatures. Countless seabirds soar across vast distances and sea turtles return to their natal beaches to lay their eggs. These migratory marvels highlight the interconnectedness of different marine ecosystems and the importance of preserving their habitats. Sadly, human activities have placed immense pressure on our oceans. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change have caused irreversible damage to marine ecosystems. Coral bleaching, a direct consequence of rising ocean temperature, threatens the very existence of coral reefs. Yet, there is a hope. Scientists, conservationists, and communities around the world are working tirelessly to protect and restore the oceans. Through research, education, and sustainable practices, we can ensure a brighter future for marine life. As we conclude our journey through the depths of the ocean, let us reflect on the remarkable beauty and diversity that exists beneath the waves. The ocean is not just a source of fascination, it is the life force that sustains our planet. Join us in preserving the oceans for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible underwater footage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating documentaries.